how to put a countdown timer on Instagram story. Instagram provides us with a feature where you can add a countdown to any kind of events on your story. So let's see how you can do it. To access your story section, you can just swipe right and this will open up your story. So from here, you can tap on create right here. So just tap on it. Instagram used to have the countdown feature listed right here, like the text, the shoutouts, and the GIFs. So the story countdown timer was also available here, but after the recent update, they have removed it. So in order to access it, first you will have to click a picture or any background. So from there, you can tap on this icon right here, this sticker icon right here, or you can swipe up on your screen so it does the same thing. Just swipe up, and here are all of the options that you can add to your story. From here, you can choose countdown right here and add your countdown name. So, like so, and choose your date and time. So, let's choose an end date. So, today is August of 26. So, let's choose 27, and in 16 hours the timer will go off and your friends will be notified as well. If they have allowed the notification on your timer, they will be notified when the timer runs out. So that's how you can add timer to your story. And if you want to change background, you can tap right here. Or if you want to add your custom background, what you can do is go back and open your gallery to choose any kind of background you want to have, and from there you can add the timer as well. And that's how you add countdown to Instagram story. I hope you liked the video. If so, please consider subscribing to the channel, and I'll see you on the next one. Thank you for watching.